Have you ever tried to speak in English but found yourself always stuck? Because you think in your own language, then try to translate it in English and it's really take time. And when you are speaking, you feel frustrated, right? I have been there too. When I started learning English, I always try to translate English in my head and it feels like frustrated. It made study slow and stressful. One day I was in a coffee shop and cashier asked me, "What would you like?" I panicked. I knew what I want, but I was busy translating. I froze and ended up to the menu table. That time I felt so embarrassed, but I learned a better way to direct think in English. It wasn't easy at first, but it worked. And today I am going to show you how you can do it too. Step 1. Use simple words first. Start small, look around yourself and think the name of things in English. For example, instead of thinking pani, think water. Instead of thinking मैं जा रहा हूँ, think I am walking. When you see your mobile, say phones. Phone. This helps your brain to directly connect with English. Step 2. Talk to yourself in English. Talk to yourself in English. अगर तुम कहीं जा रहे हो तो say I am going. अगर तुम पानी पी रहे हो तो say I am drinking water. अगर तुम कुछ देख रहे हो तो say I am watching something. It's okay if it feels strange at first. It gets easier with practice. Step 3. Surround yourself with English. Listen to English as much as you can. Surround yourself with English videos, podcast, English music, English movie, or even change your phone language to English. The more you listen to English, the more natural you become. And step 4. Practice speaking. The best way to stop translating is speak. Don't worry about mistake. Every time you practice, you get better. Record yourself in camera and find a friend who can practice with you in English. I know learning think in English is hard, but you can do it. Imagine speaking without pausing, without overthinking, and feeling confident in any conversation. That's all possible if you will practice from now. Here is a simple challenge for the next 7 days. Talk to yourself in English for 5 minutes every single day. Comment below and tell me how it feels. I will reply to your comment and help you. Don't wait, start now and let's do it together.